Hi, I'm Mike. I'm one of the EDM applications engineers here at Makino. I'd like to talk about the Hyper-Eye control on the EDAF2 machine. The Hyper-Eye control is a universal control that's used on the wire and sinker machines that we offer. It's a very similar look and feel of the control, so training is easy across both wire and EDM machines. It starts with a 24-inch high-definition touchscreen for ease of use. Right? The Hyper-Eye control includes onboard digital manuals for all the systems, alarms, programming. The main screens on the Hyper-Eye control would include the preparation page, program page, the setup page. On the setup page, we would have our measure ball, measure our workpiece, measure our electrode, and the run screen where we go and run our part. Those screens provide pretty much all you need to run the machine. Those are the features of the Hyper-Eye control on the EDAF2 machine. Thank you.